morning mga kawais na misis. This is Lupha's Kitchen, and then today I will be sharing you a simple Filipino salad, the kamote top salad or kamote leaf salad. So this is usually partner kung meron kayong inihaw na bangos or inihaw na karne. So masarap siya. Super healthy and super cheap at madaling gawin. So simple lang yung kanyang mga ingredients. We have onion, tomato, and ginger. So, gusto ko yung ginger. Thinly slice siya kasi kinakain ko din siya. We have Kalamansi, kung meron kayong lemon juice or fresh lemon, pwede din yon. But I also put some fish sauce, a little bit of honey if you have. Kung wala namang honey, it's okay. Gusto ko lang ng mabalance yung asim sa tamis, but at the same time healthy pa rin kasi may honey siya. And in substitute sa honey, you can put brown sugar, and I also love to use pinakurat suka kasi meron na siyang anghang, and iba yung lasa ng suka ng coconut katulad nito. And also some salt, konti lang, iodized salt kasi para madali siyang ihalo. So let's start. So, magpa-boil muna tayo ng tubig before natin ilalagay o iba-blanch lang yung ating sweet potato leaves or kamote tops. Now, pagkulo niya, so ilagay na natin yung ating kamote tops. So, blanch lang natin ng mga, pag nailagay na natin lahat, blanch lang natin ng mga 20 seconds. After 2 minutes, ilagay natin siya sa lagayan na may cold water para ma-stop yung kanyang pagluto. Para fresh pa din siya. Binabad ko siya sa tubig na malamig, and then i-strain natin siya, saka natin siya i-assemble o i-combine with other ingredients. Other ingredients. Then I'm gonna add a fish sauce, around 2 tablespoons. You can adjust the saltiness by adding some iodized salt or rock salt. And then to balance the taste, Kasi gusto ko may tamis-tamis. I'm gonna be adding pure honey. 1 tablespoon lang ng honey. Yan, that would be enough. This one. So, mix-mix lang. Napaka-simple pero nakakaganang kainin together with your favorite inihaw, fish or pork or chicken. Basta dapat i-mix yung maigi. Ayan na yung ating fresh sweet potato leaf salad. You can add, para mas healthy, you can actually add sesame oil kasi healthy yun. And then, time to eat now. So, ayan, ready na ang ating sweet potato leaf salad or kamote top salad. Best partner with any inihaw na isda or inihaw na baboy. And then, what I use pala is 3 tali. Kung dito kayo sa Manila, yung pagbibenta ng kamote tops ay nakatali. 10 pesos each, 3 tali ang ginawa ko. And in less than 50 pesos, meron ka ng salad. And enjoy, healthy na, madali pang gawin. Bye and see you again.